So this might be the last video you will watch that will help you finally create your Facebook page that you are belonging to create, and you are having this particular error that is showing everybody that you will not unable to create a Facebook page. Now I'm making some videos on how to do this. I've messaged Meta, and there is me myself. I go against some of my video and I say it's not working, and there are a lot of people that actually do this that are giving me a report, a feedback that they test what I did and it's actually working for them, and which is why I am making the video, so to show you how I did it and how they did it, so you too can go and do your own and come back with the testimony. So you can go and do your own and come back with the testimony. So before I do it without knowing whether it's going to work or it's not going to work, and there are people that actually take action, that go and do the same thing and it work for them, they came back with testimony and tell me that, oh bro Michael, this video that you create about how to reach out to Meta support, they are finally help me out. I'll be able to create my Facebook page, which is why I'm bringing this video to you. Me myself, after I created the video almost 1 month ago, and after that one I created another video which prompted me to tell people that it's not actually working, because a lot of people are giving me comment in the comment section whether I actually get a reply for them. But now I want to tell you that the response is not matter. What matter is what happened after you actually email them. So I'm going to read the comments for you, so you can actually see what the person said in her comment. Okay, you can actually see what the person said in her comment and you can take action. So after I read the comment for you, I will show you another record from someone that actually do the same thing, and after that one I'm going to walk you through the same thing that they did to actually get this done, so you can actually do it and come back with your testimony whether it work or it not work. And I wish you good luck. So let me read the comments for you. And the lady said, after watching your video, which is last month, I emailed them immediately, and after a week notified the world after a week, because I actually came back online after 1 month. I tested that thing, it didn't work. I tested lively here on YouTube, it did not work. I was not able to create my account, which make me blackmail the video that they didn't do anything about me, and I actually emailed them back in that video, which prompting. But it is after I created the video, this guy actually dropped comment on the new video that I actually dropped that go against the first video that I actually created. So the lady was like, but it worked for me now. So the thing you said, it worked for me, so I don't know why it's not working for any other person, which is why I'm actually creating this video. She told me that she created through account. Let me read this for you. I said, after a week, I said, let me try. And it started working perfectly. I opened 2 pages, okay? And I opened 2 pages immediately. He said, thanks to God Almighty, and thanks so much for this guide. You saved me stress and some coins. Though, they did not send me any email. So, here, she pointed out that Meta support, Facebook support did not reply her, but yet she was able to create the Facebook page, which was exactly the same thing this person says in her voice note.
I did a video then, so I watched the video and I tried to drop a message on my email. That's only what I did, just drop a message about assign my page. So yesterday, like something just drop in my head that after I go to your Facebook page,
we are listening to voice.
Go and check, but you are okay, but I'll go to our fix. I have to go and check my Facebook. I go to the 3 column. I press the icon to the 3 dots. So I saw the pages, the red flag is back. I was like, wow. When she clicked away, I said, let me try it. But I read the second space of trying it. Because or something went on. I was load more. I was afraid that she could go to play getting the upper game is the next one. And before I know that, I created the test design.
So you are listening to the voice note and you see that it is exactly the same thing that the lady said and she also said. Now, the person that do the voice note is actually on my contact. She's my student. The second person I did not know. The first person that actually dropped the comment, I don't know. I don't know maybe she's even Nigeria or not. Okay, but she actually dropped the comment which gave me courage to come and tell you that you should go and test it. And you are not alone. I'm going to do the same thing in this video. All you have to do is to just watch from now to the beginning of this video, and you will see the same thing that I did that they did that make them create their Facebook page after many times of receiving this error from Facebook. And I wish you good luck as you are watching me. So focus, okay? I will be drop all the link that I use and all the email in the description below so you can see. Without wasting our time, let's get right into the video. The ultimate goal of this strategy and this technique is to reach out to Meta support, the people that are Facebook themselves, those who are in technical group, those who are in support group, human being, not robot and AI, is to get to human being so they can help us fix what is happening on our Facebook account, so they can actually fix it, and then we can actually create our Facebook page successfully. And this is why I'm taking this in so far, so you guys can see. I don't want all those old technique, because I know that if you are actually messaging AI or you are requesting robot to actually answer this thing, it's not going to do it very well, and they are not going to do what you want. You will not have it. If you use a VPN, if whatever you need is not going to work. So follow me and follow the step-by-step process, and I'm going to show you how it works. So let's get right into the video. So these are the way to contact Meta directly, so you can have human being to respond to you. So I'm just going to click on one first, and let's see how it works. So I'm going to show you step by step how to image them. Okay, so I'm going to click on that link. I'll put the link in the description below, don't worry, I got this. So when we are here, this is where we are. So you press on select, you can see you press select here. When you press the select, you press customer support email setting. Okay, so it's going to open this thing for you. What you need to do now is to go and take the screenshot of your account. Okay, so you go and take the screenshot. Let me go and do what I show you. So I'm going to open this my account, and I'm going to try to create a Facebook page. Okay, so when I try to create the Facebook page and I see the error, I'm going to screenshot it and I send it back to them. Okay, so let me go and create a Facebook page. Let me go and create a Facebook page. Okay, let me go and create a Facebook page. Let me just put any name. I know it's not going to work. I just want to put any name. So I'm just going to put any name. I will add digital marketing, digital creator, and I will say next. So I'm going to take the screenshot of this. Okay, I told you the screenshot now. So this is what I'm going to send to Meta support. Okay, I'm going to send it to them. So I'm going to see where they write add image. You can see they wrote add image. See where they wrote add image. I will press it. I'll press it and I will drop this thing here. Okay, I'll drop. You can add as much as possible. So I don't know, anyhow you want to do it. Okay, you just have to put the email that you want to use to send them email. You put it here. So let me go into, I'm going to put my second email that actually linked to accounts. Okay, that link to the account. I'll put it there. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to ChatGPT, because I cannot actually customize this email by myself. So I need something that is strong. Okay, so I'm going to ChatGPT and I will explain to ChatGPT what I actually want. So I said I want to email Meta support so they can help me fix a Facebook page error in creation. Okay, error while creation, sorry. So I'm just going to just put it. So you say draft an email that explain my frustration. Okay, my frustration, sorry, that is typo error. My frustrations and my disappointment in the system, because I did not violate any community guideline. Okay, community guideline. And you just tell them that you love YouTube, you love Facebook, you love to work with Facebook, you love the content, you love the services that Facebook are actually offering. So just put it there. I love Facebook, and I want to work with them by creating Facebook page, and creating content, okay, and creating content, running ads, and do a lot of funds on Facebook. Just make them know that okay, you actually love Facebook and you like to be bringing your lifestyle to Facebook, so you can have more interaction and you can run ad, you can do business on Facebook. Just so that will make them feel that okay, this person like what you are actually offering. Let's help him out. So you point out your actual problem. I cannot, unfortunately, as much as I love Facebook, I was unable to create Facebook page for a very long time, okay, a very long time, which limits my love, for them. Draft the email for me now, and don't forget 1,500 character, 1,500 character maximum. Okay, that is how many characters you can put there. So ChatGPT is actually going to do the work for me. All right, so you can see. So I'm going to put another thing. So let me copy this, and I will take it there. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so when I paste it, I'm going to paste it here. So I'm going to bring my Facebook link, because I need direct access to my Facebook account in order to help me solve what is happening. So I'm just going to copy my account profile link. You can see the way I get it. So when you're on your profile, you press on here. You press here. When you press here, you will see copy link to your profile. So you copy this one, so you paste it here. All right, you paste it here. So you can just put your name, the name of the account, Adebowale. Let me see, I think Ajinde. I use Ajinde for there. Ajinde Olamilekan. That's the name of the account. Okay, I can just say details, account details below. So now what I actually want to tell you is, two people that give me testimony. They give me testimony. They say after 1 week, that is what they said in that testimony. After 1 week, they went back to go and try, maybe their Facebook will actually work, and it's actually work for them. So I need you to focus on your account for 1 week. Then once it is after 1 week, make sure you go and try it. And if it works, please come back to this video and tell me it actually worked, so I can tell others, and a lot of people can actually see that this thing actually work. So I'm going to press send. That's what I'm going to do. So the next action now is to send them direct email. That one will actually reach them. The first one that we sent, it will actually reach them, but this second one is direct email, like you are emailing something. It's like their official email. So this is it. I'm going to put the link in the comment section, in the description below. So let's go to ChatGPT again and tell ChatGPT to actually help us write the email. So let's ask ChatGPT. So write another email. I don't know what is wrong with ChatGPT. It's okay. Write another email. Okay, another email. So it's going to write it. So let's pick the subject first. And then let's put the subject here where subject should be, and then we copy the compose email. Okay, copy the compose email, remove this first one, so bring this one back to up. Okay, so this is it. Just don't worry, just this is it. Okay, then you go back, you copy your Facebook page, Facebook profile. That's what you do, because they need to click it to see that this is actually your Facebook profile. So you copy it, and then you send it to, you drop it here. You can just put name. Can put name Ajinde Olamilekan. Okay, you can just put name, just put it there, and you send it to them. Now I'm going to come back to this account and try to create account from here after 1 week. So you can see that it is sent actually. So I'm going to come back to see whether this thing actually work. So that's how you can actually get to Meta and ask them for help, so they can help you fix what is happening on your account. Please go and try it out and come back with testimony. Okay, whatever you see, just come back and drop it in the comment section. We are looking for one way to solve this particular error. So you may see error while I'm recording my own. Just go and try your own out, because I have actually do it multiple times, so it most likely give you error when you do it multiple times. Okay, so make sure you go and do your own. When you send the first text message, it's going to tell you success. That means that thing reached them. Okay, so when you reach them, that means it actually work. So if you are concerned, you can just watch the video in the description below, and I will see you in my next video. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more.